Network segmentation is about dividing the different segments in order to isolate the zones within a network. And it's important to OT because it reduces the spread of a compromise within an OT network, and it also ensures security and the protection of the critical infrastructure. In IT, the priorities are different than in OT, and what we're looking at is mainly confidentiality and integrity, whereas in OT, we are looking at availability and safety and the dedicated data flows. So when conducting OT segmentation, it is important to look more into the safety critical operation, real-time operation, and also make sure that we're taking account of legacy systems. There are various measures to be put in place in order to ensure that the segmentation is working in OT environment, but first of all, they need to make sure that they have thorough monitoring of the network, and they conduct regular audits and penetration testing in order to ensure that the segmentation is effective, and also the adoption of a baseline architecture in line with the baseline architecture that we're seeing. At Black & Veatch, we have developed a cybersecurity asset lifecycle management approach that we use for greenfield as well as brownfield scenario. And the asset in that case is the plant, is the utility, is the critical infrastructure that we're looking at. And we're trying to achieve is cyber resilience throughout the various stages of a project, regardless where our clients are. So when it comes to segmentation in a greenfield scenario, we do embed that right in the beginning, in the early design stages, and ensure to monitor that throughout the various subsequent stages of a construction. When it comes to brownfield scenarios, we conduct a gap analysis and we evaluate the various gaps that are looking at and the mitigation strategies to put in place. And segmentation usually comes as one key control that we apply, although not very cost efficient. And this is why we actually propose to embed cybersecurity right at the early stages of any construction project that we are looking at. In both scenarios, when we are conducting segmentation, we look at monitoring, we conduct thorough monitoring, thorough testing, and we make sure that we are adopting the segmentation in line with the baseline architecture that we have defined.